I'm going to put together a real quick lunch. Now I'm only going to do a little bit of this oil in my pan, and I'm going to turn it on quite low because cast iron gets hot fast. So anyway, my daughter just called me, and she's coming to have lunch with me. So I thought, I'm going to make something real quick and something that she likes. And that's some fried potatoes with onions and smoked sausage in it. So that's what I'm going to do. I figured I'd show you a video of how I do this, and it'll be fun. This is an easy meal, or an easy lunch, I should say, to put together. Now I just got a little bit of onion in there, nothing huge. But this thing is what I wanted to show you. This thing is neat. This is my little, what do they call it, medallion? This thing is so nice. And yes, watch your fingers. Okay? You must watch your fingers. I don't know why. I think I got this at a yard sale, and it doesn't have one of those guards to it. So I just stick a fork in there, and there we go. That's it. Cut the last up. That's it. Works pretty fast. So I'm going to do another one here. Stick my fork in there. Get a couple more. And there we go. Pretty easy, huh? I think I'm going to do one more potato, because that way there might be some left over in the fridge for later, you know. So we'll do this potato up. Stick my fork in. Oh, stick my fork in there. There we go. That one. And we're good. Alright, I think we got enough potatoes. So, we got the onions in there. Let me get my little spatula. Move them around because I don't want too many onions in here. This is going to be pretty good. Alright, I'm going to throw all these potatoes in here. And I don't peel them, I just scrubbed them really good. I like the peelings on them. You know what? I could probably put another one in there because I know my husband's going to love this when he gets home too. So, I'll do another one real quick. Put it down there. Put my fork in. I love these things. But I can never find one that has the little guard to it. So I just got to be careful. Don't be in a big rush and it'll be all good. Yeah, there we go. We got that. Now, put this in my sink. I'm going to use all this sausage because they absolutely love this stuff. Cut that end off. Cut the ends off. So I'm just going to slice these just kind of thin. Alright, so there's that. We're going to throw that right in there on top. Okay? Now we're going to put pepper in there because, oh my gosh, you know how we love pepper. There goes the pepper. Yum, yum. Okay? I'm not going to put a whole lot of salt in here because that sausage, that smoked sausage, is salty. So if you can see that, it's not coming out really. There we go. That should be good. And that, friends, is all I do. I just mix it around. Oh, she's going to like this. I hope I have it done before she gets here. Okay, and then when this gets good and hot, I just will put a little, maybe a quarter cup of water in there, but I am going to put a lid on because I do cover it. Okay? So I'm going to let that go for a little bit, and then I will be back and I'll show you when I add a little water to it. Friends, I'm back. I'm going to show you. I just flip these. I just turn them up a little bit. And I turned it down even more. Okay? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there and cover it. And they'll steam up a little, they'll cook beautifully. So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to keep stirring them a little bit, and then when they're done, I'll be back and I'll show you. Okay, friends, I believe these are done. Give them another turn. And see, they still brown too, they get beautiful. Even with a little bit of water in there, steams them, it gets them done. There they go. I'm going to turn this off because these are done. And I'm just going to leave the lid on them and set them on the back of the stove until my daughter gets here. So what a nice, quick, and easy lunch. There you have it. Thanks for watching.